டேய் இதெல்லாம் ஓவர். ஒழுங்கா கூட வரதா?
Okay. Yeah.
This is nice.
The ice cream is fresh and it's very soft. Selfish guy.
Cookie cream.
Oh, yo, I see that. I know. Okay.
Thank you. Guys, cookies cream. Hey, what's up guys? It's really nice meeting guys, and today we just came to a ice cream parlor.
It is a restaurant with ice cream parlor.
Okay. So the restaurant name is Aibaik. They are having branches in Madurai and Chennai. There are totally 6 branches in Madurai. In Sivakasi, this is the first time they have started here. This is the first time this Turkish ice cream also being started here.
So we are very excited to see how they give the Turkish ice cream.
So in this Aibaik, they are having BBQ, grill, shawarma, and also biryanis. All types of Arabian foods they are providing here.
That is not the matter now.
Okay.
Now Turkish ice cream. That is the matter.
So let's go and check it out guys. Lingesh பாருங்க guys, ஹீரோ மாதிரி போறாரு. போ.
ஹீரோ மாதிரி சொல்றதுக்குள்ள கால் தட்டுதுடா ஏன்டா? On chocolate. So cap. Right, I try it.
Okay, that was okay. Ice cream there. Come on, look. Very good.
டேய் இதெல்லாம் ஓவர். ஒழுங்கா கூட வரதா?
Okay. Okay, the rules is do not touch the stick.
Okay, sleep on it. Okay.
Okay.
See? Come on, look. Oh, yo, ice cream there.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
லிங்கேஷ் செமையா டான்ஸ் ஆடுறான்.
This one.
Take it both sides. Oh, ice cream. Oh, you want ice cream?
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, take it. Pull it. 1 minute.
Sit.
Nice. More
Yeah.
time. Up. Take it. Tissue. This is nice. Thank you, sir.
You like it?
The chocolate taste is really good. The ice cream is fresh and it's very soft while eating. The main part is enjoying the ice cream trick. I like it.
Okay. They have totally 4 flavors here: vanilla, butterscotch, cookies cream, and chocolate. Let's try cookies cream now. They say the flavors get changed daily. It's the biggest beautiful thing here. Let's try it now. Actually, Lingesh wear this. Now I am not going to do that. But
Selfish guy.
cookies cream.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Ready?
Obviously ready. Okay.
How much ice cream you want? That much okay? Okay, bye. You want more ice cream?
Yeah, I want more ice cream.
Okay.
Wow.
That much okay?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Take it. Very good. No problem. That's done through.
Thank you.
That much okay? Okay, he's calling you. Oh, very good. No, ice cream there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, move back, sir. Take it. Come on. Mashallah. Come on. No problem. Come on. Oh, yo, ice cream there. Up. I know. Take it. Okay, take 5.
Okay.
Take the ice cream. Bye-bye. Go home. Ice cream. Take your ice cream.
Thank you.
Welcome. Where is ice cream? This one? What is one? Oh, yeah, ice cream is there. This one yours?
This one?
Sure? Take it. Take it. Ice cream I have. Bye. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bro, ice cream.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother. Thanks a lot.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Guys, cookies cream. Let's try this one. It's cookies cream.
எப்படி இருக்கு?
சீனா இருக்கு.
ஸோ இது டேஸ்ட் என்ன? குக்கீஸ் கிரீம்னா சாக்லேட் டேஸ்ட், குக்கீஸ் கிரீம்னா என்ன டேஸ்ட் இருக்கு?
எனக்கு அந்த குக்கி சாப்பிட்ட ஃபீல் வருது. குக்கினா லைக் ஓரியோ பிஸ்கெட், அந்த ஓரியோ பிஸ்கெட் வந்து கிரஷ் பண்ணி மேல அந்த டாப்பிங்ஸ் மாதிரி போட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கு. காய்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா இங்க வந்தீங்கன்னா ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க, உண்மையிலேயே செமையா இருக்கு. இட்ஸ் ரியலி ஒர்த் இட். ஒவ்வொரு நாளுமே ஒவ்வொரு ஃப்ளேவர் கொண்டு வராங்க அவங்க. ஸோ இதுதான் இதில் இருக்கிற பிக் ஹைலைட்டு. ப்ரைஸிங் வந்து இட்ஸ் அரௌண்ட் 126 rupees இது. ஸோ ஐ ஹோப் யூ guys enjoy this video. Even if you guys come this way, just try this Turkish ice cream. It's really superb and awesome.
So for the first time in Sivakasi, as a Sivakasian, I tried this Turkish ice cream.
Sivakasi is just going to next stage.
Yeah, it's going into the city level.
Yeah. So if you guys come here, definitely try this. It's really worth it. So let's see you next video, guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, guys. Bye.
Bye.